The weather is getting cold now. I open my wardrobe to find my old clothes. My jackets and sweaters are inside. They still have a light smell from last year. I wear a thick coat. It feels warm and nice. This is how I know winter is really here. I feel happy and ready for the cold days. The hot summer is finally over. Now I can enjoy the cool air. It feels fresh on my face. As a single person, I like this feeling. I do not need to think about anyone else. The cold is like my friend. It makes me feel new and active. This is my special time. People in love cannot feel this happiness. They are busy with each other. They walk outside, holding hands. They take many photos in the cold. They share pictures online. I see them on the street every day. They have their joy, and I have mine. My winter is simple and free. Love in winter is not always perfect. Couples hold hands, but they also feel cold. They still go home to do housework. They wash dishes and dry clothes. My life is easier and more quiet. I smile when I think about this. My winter story is simple but happy. I love winter mornings the most. I can sleep in my warm bed until lunchtime. I don't need to wake up early. Nobody waits for my morning message. This freedom feels wonderful. I stretch slowly in my bed. The soft light comes into my room. It is a perfect quiet moment. Today I will eat hot pot alone. It will be a nice experience. I don't need to give the best meat to someone. I can choose all my favorite foods. I eat slowly and happily. The hot soup makes me feel warm inside. This is my way to enjoy my own time. I really like these small moments. Real happiness is staying home when it's cold. I don't need to go outside for dates. The temperature is below 15 degrees, but I don't mind at all. I have my warm blanket and good movies. This is my idea of a perfect day. I feel happy with my life. Every warmth has its price. Couples have warm hands. Single people have warm minds. We don't think about small problems. We don't worry about messages. This peace is a good thing. It makes winter more enjoyable. Sometimes I think the cold is kind. It doesn't ask for anything from me. It helps me enjoy simple things. A warm blanket, good Wi-Fi, and hot food are enough. My life feels full with these things. I also have funny online groups. They always make me laugh. Single people also know about love. But we love different things. We love our life and freedom. We love things that never leave us. A good book is always there. Hot tea never breaks its promise. This love is quiet but strong. It makes me feel safe. If someone comes to share my winter, that's nice. But I don't need it right now. I'm not lonely or sad. My heart has love for myself. I'm open to love, but I don't search for it. This thinking makes me strong. I enjoy my own life every day. Now, I have enough warmth in my life. I have free time to joke with friends. I laugh about their relationship problems. They also laugh about my single life. We have a good and honest friendship. This is another warmth for me. Winter is just a season, but my happiness is my choice. I walk outside to feel the winter air. The cold wind touches my face quickly. I see many couples on the street. They surprise my peaceful feeling. They help each other with their coats. They give each other warm scarves. They speak sweet words to each other. I watch them with different feelings. A young man asks his girlfriend if she is cold. She says she feels very cold. Then she asks him to hold her hand. These words sound romantic to them, but to me, they feel like cold wind. My heart feels strange for a moment. The feeling goes through my sweaters. Then it goes away quickly. I keep walking and try not to see them. I see another couple taking photos. They want to remember this cold day. They look very happy together. I don't feel jealous anymore. I just feel a little bored. Every winter has the same things. I understand them, but I like my way. I decide to buy a hot drink. The shop owner smiles at me. I hold the cup and feel the heat. This simple thing is real and good. I don't need another person for warmth. I walk home alone, but I feel okay. The winter night is pretty and quiet. I am happy with myself. Winter teaches me important things about life. It shows me that happiness comes from inside. Outside things can make us happy for a short time, but true happiness comes from loving yourself. The cold season is like a teacher. It helps me look inside my heart. I find my own strength. This is more important than romance. I learn to love my own space and time. I can read books without stopping. I can watch movies until late. I don't need to explain my choices to anyone. This freedom helps me grow. It makes me more confident. I build a good relationship with myself. This connection will stay forever. Maybe winter love is beautiful for some people, but it is not the only way to enjoy this season. My way is different, but still good. I create my own warmth with small habits. A morning walk in fresh air, a hot drink before sleep. These things make me feel thankful. I won't change this peace for anything. So, I welcome winter with open arms. I welcome the cold wind and short days. They are part of my story. Being single is not a problem to fix. It is just my life now. I am warm enough in my way. I am happy enough with my choices, and that is what really matters.